Everybody, welcome back. Green Country Custom Rods here. We're going to be continuing our rod building series for beginners with guide wraps. Now we're going to continue on. So let's go wrap a rod. All right, we're going to try a little different angle here. Got the big camera over here. Got the GoPro up here. And we're going to, let me get my foot throttle over here. And we're mainly going to be going black. Probably not going to be able to see a thing I do from this camera. And it makes a god-awful noise. Don't understand what that is, but alright, now we're going to go back up on top. Okay, we got 2 wraps on it. Now we're going to do a 3-turn inlay. Alright, now we're going to start our inlays. Like on the other side of the blank, we'll try to match it up. Alright, now we're going to do a 2-turn inlay. Another 3 turns. And a single turn inlay. So let me know if there's any experienced builders out there. If there's a step I'm missing or if there's a better way to do this. But this is how I do it. Just been kind of working on my fit and finish. Gotta be super careful not to cut strings. Ooh, especially these. This is the one part I'd like to, how do you, leaves a little bitty blue speck. What I do, come in here with a little black marker, since we're black underneath. I'm sure that's not the proper way, but it turned out good. Let me reposition my camera here. Come on down and just do a black. No inlays, so these are really quick and been thinking about moving my carriage over to set aside, not using this extra carriage, but let's see, I ground down. Looks like it's jumping up on it. Just make sure you got everything perfectly straight. And this is when a power wrapper comes in really handy. And listen, you don't have to have a power wrapper by any means to do this. You want to build rods, just get you a hand wrapper. Learn your skills, what I did, really develop. Obviously, I'm still developing. We insert our thread pull, dirty side, which is now the bottom, because we're at, on the spiral wrap, we are at the bottom of the reel, 180 degrees, opposite direction of the reel. And we're starting to come up, so we'll cut it right there. Release tension. And this is some white braid. And it's only like 10 or 15 pound test. Maybe 20, I don't remember. slightly pull that open and thread back across it. All right, I think that's where we'll stop today. Let me see. This camera just continues to make sounds. So again, thanks for checking out the channel. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this on out and not bore you with everyone. You've seen the general process of doing a couple of inlays. You've seen one just single color, which is by far where a beginner needs to start. And then work on single turn, double turn inlays, and a couple other things that you can do from there. So it's about seeing the position of the hands and how you're wrapping the thread. Those are the things that I had the biggest difficulty with when watching videos that are super zoomed in. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Stay with us on this series. The epoxy, that process, the drying method, and then final pictures. So see you next week, guys.